Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys a cutesy, very pinkish makeup routine for the springtime. Before we get into it, let me just show you my inspiration, because I didn't just come up with it from the top of my head. Like, I obviously searched. So look how cute. I think I love the eyeshadow on this one, and the lips I think is very cute. I still like the whole makeup look as a look, like everything. I think it's very cute for the spring. But for the base, I was thinking more like this, because look how gorgeous and bright it is. I love everything about it, where everything is. Anyways, that's gonna be my inspiration for the makeup look. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Let's just get right into it. So I have to pin my hair to the back. If you see my drawer, it doesn't close. I try to close it so many times, it doesn't. Okay, so for primer, so my face has been very dry and I have a pimple right here. I need to moisturize the hell out of my skin right now, so I'm gonna be using, no, I'm not gonna use this one. We're gonna use this. You know what, my nails look so ugly to show you the product, so I'm just gonna put a picture here and you guys will see what I'm using. So it's called the Iconic London Blurring Glow Underglow Primer, and we're just gonna put that all over our face. Basically, just get a primer that is liquidy and glowy, because for the spring we want to look glowy and sun-kissed. And preferably, like for me, I don't like dewy looks. I think they're beautiful on other people. For me, I just don't like it. I don't like when my skin looks oily, like too much. Just in the right places, that's my preference. We're gonna get right into the base. Remember, this is our base picture and this is what I'm gonna try to recreate. These very full coverage, which I love, because I do not like when you guys can see my acne scars. I don't like that. Sometimes I do a natural makeup look or a natural makeup look and you won't see my scars, but it's still a natural makeup look. So for foundation, I'm gonna use the Fit Me Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 230, and this shade is a little bit yellow, but it still matches when I blend it in. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. So I have this dry patch right here on my skin. I don't know why. I've been like not using a lot of like skincare, not skincare, like active ingredients on my skincare. And the other day I woke up with my skin really tight, like so tight. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to like stop for a little bit, because I use the Panoxyl face wash, and maybe it's a little too strong for me, or maybe because I'm using this new tip where you let it sit on your face for like a couple of minutes instead of rinsing it off. So I think it's actually kicking in, and because I use it every night. So we're gonna blend our foundation in. I don't know what kicked into me. I've been wanting to make videos, I promise I do. I love sitting and talking and doing my makeup. I just genuinely haven't had the time. I genuinely haven't, and it's so annoying because I've been on this mood where I don't want to do anything. I don't want to get up from bed. I go to work, I come home, I go to sleep, I eat, I wake up, I do the same thing, go to school, and I'm feeling like I was on this road of like burning out. And I peeped that my mood was like, I don't know, every day I woke up and I'm like, oh my god, here we go again. And it felt like Monday and Friday, and then Monday again, and then Monday and Friday, and it was like the same. And it was so annoying. Like, I need a break. Like, I want school to finish already, because I felt like I'm tired of it. Like, I'm already tired of it. I don't want to do anything. I just want to sit in bed and rot. So basically what I did was like that, I noticed that, and I took a break. Not took a break, but like I was supposed to work and I didn't go to work because I needed a day off. And then I took the day off and I cleaned the heck out of my room. Like, my room is so clean right now. Today I woke up and I didn't go to school. But listen, I just missed one class. The other class was canceled and my last class is online, so I went to that class. It wasn't anything crazy, so I got to stay home. Usually I feel like I haven't been able to stay home, so I stayed home. And then I woke up at whatever time I wanted. I got up, I made food, I did my skincare, I sat in bed, and then there was things that I had been pushing off like from doing because I haven't had the time, and I did them, and it felt so nice to check them off from my planner. And then it was like 5ish and the sun was so nice, so I went outside and I sat outside and I ordered an acai bowl because I wanted an acai bowl. And just doing those little things made my mood go up so much, where I got the energy to like be like, oh yeah, you know what, let's do a YouTube video. Because when you're drained, you don't want to do anything, even the things that you like to do. Like, I like doing this and I feel so like I don't want to do anything, but I'm so happy. So whenever you're feeling like that, just take a day to do the things that you want to do, and it's gonna make your mood go up, hopefully, you know. hopefully. Okay, now I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Cream Puff, and I'm just putting it where my acne is, where I have any blemishes and any pimples. And then also we're gonna take some and put it under her eyes. And she has a very bright under eye, so this is not the only concealer that we're gonna use. And then we're gonna blend all of this out. And I feel like time was passing by so fast. Well, it still is, but especially when you're doing the same thing every day. Oh my god, your days just blend in where you don't even know what you did yesterday. And that's how I've been feeling, and I don't like it. I want to like get out of this raw. I have a planner. I love to plan my days and everything, and I love to plan out my month. And I realized at the end of the month I always like do a monthly recap where I like put expenses, things I did, things I accomplished, whatever. This month I realized I didn't do much. Looking back, I'm like, bro, because I have my goals like on the first page. I'm like, bro, if I keep going on this road, I'm not gonna get anything that I want done. And it's crazy because this is why you don't accomplish your goals, because you get to like this routine where you just keep doing the same thing over and over again, and you don't even notice that you don't even have time for the things that you set aside that you want to do. Thank God that I'm able to like realize and not push myself further into this route that I was going towards. Yeah, guys, that's how I've been. Now we're gonna go in with a lighter concealer. It's called Snow, and we're just gonna put her here, and we're gonna let her sit while we do our contour and blush. So for contour, we're gonna go in with our Fenty contour stick, a little bit here and up here again. Spring is the time to look bronzed and pink, so don't be shy. And then we're gonna blend her. If you guys saw my vision board video, I talked about my goals, right? And it was basically to post 2 YouTube videos a month. Guys, I've been lagging so bad, like so bad. Like this video is not gonna get posted till May. I already know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking of what I could do to make my goal come true. And basically I feel like school has been taking too much energy out of me, and I've also been spending more time with my friends, or like going out more, which is good because you know you also should have time for your social life. But I just want school to finish, because like that I know I'll have time. Like I don't even have time to go to the gym. I miss going to the gym. But I'm so excited for April to be over and May to start, because this month is gonna be my month. I don't care, I'm gonna make it my month. We're gonna lock in, guys. I don't really do nose contour, but the girls on the pictures do, so we're gonna do a little bit like this and the nose. I just feel like my nose is fine. I don't know, it's that good. I don't know how to do contour on my nose. I never done it. Imagine they changed the game for me, and then I'm like, oh, okay, period. Now I see what they do nose contour. Like my nose look like a button. I don't know, I just feel like it takes too much time to contour your nose. That's why I don't do it. It's nothing against it, I promise. I think this is good enough. Now we're gonna go with blush. Honey over here has a very hot pink blush, and I love that. I already know what I'm gonna pull out. My Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade Lucky, and then the e.l.f. liquid blush in the shade Promise. I also bought this new blush, but I want to save it for when I make my other YouTube videos. I don't want to show you guys yet. Take a dot and just put it on. It's basically on top of your bronzer, and blend that in. And then we're gonna bring it over here. I'm gonna blend in my concealer on top of my blush, so it might go away. The more we put, the better. Yeah, this is a lot of blush, but we're not gonna stop there. Now we're gonna go in with our babyish pink and put her right here. I don't know, do I look like a clown right now? So I want to buy a new camera. Well, I don't have a camera. I use my phone to vlog, and I love like this looks very nice, right? I'm surprised, right? But I think I give thanks to my very cute vanity mirror that I bought from Amazon for the lighting and everything. I think it makes it look 10 times better. Yo, this is so much blush. Maybe I'm bugged out. It's okay, guys, it's okay. So I want to buy a new camera. I don't know which one to buy. Okay, I was thinking about buying the DG, but I seen everybody with it, and I'm just like, if I don't like it, because I want like a camera, like, you know, a camera, like I want a camera. Also, I'm gonna put some on my nose. I know it's a camera and all, but I don't know, it looks like a little tiny robot, but I want it. I just don't know if I actually should get it. I'm not very good with cameras. I don't know what looks better or which one works and which one doesn't. So TikTok is gonna be my best friend when it comes to that, because I want to get a new camera. I feel like if I had a camera, it would be more easier and convenient for me to vlog, because my problem is that I'm always on my phone. I'm always doing something on my phone, and so even if I want to vlog, I'm like, oh, I bet I need to use my phone, so I don't. Anyways, oh my god. Okay, so I think this doesn't look as bad as it did before, right? I love blush, so I'm a little blush blind, but the thing that I love about makeup is that you can always fix it. I think I think the base looking nice, no? To set my makeup, we're gonna go with the Huda Beauty loose powder, and I don't have my lovely Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder because I ran out. First, we're just gonna set it instead of baking, and you take the excess powder off. You just go ahead and set. I don't know if you guys see a difference, but I hope you guys do, because I do. Best friend, Huda Beauty. I don't know what you guys put inside these powder, but me love it. Okay, now we're gonna bake our under eye. So we take more powder. So while we let that quote unquote bake, we're gonna go in with our bronzer and bronze my face a lot because she is very bronzed. So I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Hula Caramel bronzer and bronze. Oh wait, this just brings color back into my face. Now we're gonna go in with blush. I'm going with my Juvia's Place blush. This is the volume 4, and I'm going with this baby pinkish and putting her in our cheeks. Now we're gonna do our brows and our eye look, and our eye look is basically bronze and glitter. Very simple for you guys. Bronzer and glitter, or a bronzer looking shade. It doesn't have to be the same as your bronzer. It could be a little bit more lighter. So we're gonna take out my most basic palette, which is the Milani. This is she. So nice. And we're gonna go in with Salty Caramel, and we're gonna use the same brush that I used to blend in my contour. And okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're going to blend in all over our eyelid. Just blend it in everywhere like that. And when we get to here, blend it outwards. Don't blend it too much to the front of your lid. Just blend it everywhere else. Also, I feel like spring is the time for color, so if you guys want to do color eyelids, eyeshadow looks, go ahead. But for my basic girlies like me, color maybe a lighter one would have probably looked, I guess, a little better. I feel like it looks a little bit too orange. I don't know. Do we like? I don't know if I like. So we're gonna try to whiten it up. We're gonna blend it with the blender and just. Okay, so much better. Now that your eyes have a little bit of color, we're going to take another brush. We're gonna use a white eyeshadow palette color, and we're gonna mess it in the front of our eyes and basically blend it into our eye. I love me these type of eyeshadows looks because they look so nice. Period, guys. Give yourself a round of applause, because we just ate. If you're following along, we just ate. Now we're gonna do glitter. For glitter, I'm gonna use the one and only, my Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb Highlighter. And if anything doesn't look nice, you just blend it in. We're gonna take off our powder and we're gonna set our makeup. And for setting spray, right now what I've been using, it's the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I got the little trial one, so it's so cute, right? And I've been loving it. So we're just gonna set everything in, let it dry, let it go, and then we're gonna highlight our face. Now we're gonna do our lips because we're almost done. We're basically done, actually. We're gonna go in with the NYX lip pencil in Peekaboo Neutral, and we're gonna outline our lips. I feel like this shade is so close to my lip color. I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow palette that we put the white one and put her here. I don't know, I feel like I like this nude moment color. And then we're gonna use our Kylie lip gloss, and this is the glitter one that came with that set of 3. It's called Damn Gina 324, and we're just gonna put her on top of our combo. Okay, so we're basically done. Oh my god, wait a moment, because this makeup look 8. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe how pretty this makeup look came out. I'm so happy. Like, it looks so nice. I loved it. Like, it looks so nice, and it was super quick too. I feel like we did it like this. Anyways, I hope you guys liked my video, and I hope you guys like this little makeup tutorial. I miss you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. So stay tuned, and if you haven't already, so make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'm always reading and replying to you guys' comment. I love to hear you guys' thoughts. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.